Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Paritosh. I am a data engineer based in Netherlands and this is the first video of my channel, and hopefully I will continue to upload more and more content in the coming days around data engineering and cloud computing, which will span across various cloud vendors starting from Microsoft Azure and then GCP, AWS and so on. I'll try to explain all the technical concepts and steps to various tools and services such as Microsoft Fabric, Databricks, DBT, and other similar data engineering tools. The agenda for this particular video is simple but essential as a first step, which is creating a free Azure trial account and also setting up Microsoft Fabric trial account so that you can start having hands-on experience with the core data engineering stuff in Microsoft Fabric, which is highly sought after from past few years. This video is intended for beginners who would want to start on their cloud data engineering journey in 2026, or maybe even for junior data engineers who have directly started on a client project but want to understand how the starting setup looks like. I would like to highlight that in order to create a trial account with Azure, you would need a working credit card with you because Microsoft will authenticate your account for the first time by deducting $1, which you can also see in this page here, that they would deduct $1 from your account, or if you are setting up your account from Europe, you would be charged €1. uh, don't worry, this amount will be credited back as soon as it authenticates it. Rest assured, you won't be charged anything for the duration of this trial, which is for 30 days. After that, you will be notified that you need to change your subscription to a pay as you go subscription, so there won't be any surprises. So let's start with creating the Azure trial account. You can head over to Google and just type in free Azure trial. You will get this top result, which will land you to this homepage of Microsoft Azure. Here you can click on try Azure for free, which will then ask you for your personal email address. Here you can see that I have already logged in once with my personal email address. For you, it will ask you your email address, so just put that in, and it will take you it will ask you to set up a passkey or like a multi-factor authentication. So I've already set that up. For me, I'll just try to log in now. Just give it a moment. Yep. So after I have given my authorization, it will then take me to the page where it will ask me certain details like my full name, my address, and my credit card details. So here we are at the step one of this process, and here again you can see that it is mentioned you will get 200 credits, US dollar 200 credits, or 200 euros, based on the region that you're doing this from, for 30 days, so that you can utilize this amount to provision certain services in Microsoft Azure. It could be data engineering, AI, or anything. Some of the services will always stay free. You can check what these services are from this previous landing page. So if you scroll down here, you can see that Azure DevOps and Azure Speech and Foundry tools are always free, obviously up until a certain limit. So let's continue with creating our Azure trial account. In this step one, you just need to check this first checkbox, click on next. Here it will ask you to select your country. For me, it's Netherlands, your name, last name, email address, your phone number, after which you will reach to the last step, which is your payment information. So here you can see that it is asking for your card details. You can provide your card details here. It will verify that, and you will see $1 or €1 deducting from your credit card. After that, after everything is successful, you will then land in the Azure page, which is this. So this is the Microsoft Azure home page right now. You will be able to see your name here, and I will be creating a separate video where I will explain all the things what all are present in this particular home page and what does all of these services mean and everything. For now, I'll just say one thing is that you can see this cost section here, which will highlight how many days you have remaining, and also the amount that is credited to you, how much amount did you incur this month, and what's the available limit that you have. I would suggest to keep an eye on this because you will run all your services. Suppose you're running your data engineering workloads, that will incur some cost. So this gets updated every day. It won't update instantaneously. So just keep an eye on this. Um, Next thing is that we will set up our Microsoft Fabric trial capacity. But in order to set up this Microsoft Fabric trial capacity, which is for 60 days, you need a work account. It won't take in your personal email ID, which is your @Gmail ID or anything. You need to create a work account or an organization account. So in order to create that, what you can do is go back to your Microsoft Azure homepage here. Just type in Entra. You will see this service here, Microsoft Entra ID. Just click that, and here you can actually create a user based on your personal email address, right? So you click on add here, a user, create a new user. So this Microsoft Entra ID is actually a service from Microsoft where you can manage your users, create groups, apply security settings, and all of those things. I'll explain all of these in a detailed video later. For now, what you can do is give a name to this user, like I have given it admin. And the main thing to note here is that it will create an organizational or a work account which will have this tenant as its a name. So this will be your personal email address that it will take it as a tenant, right? After you've given a name to it, please provide a password here, because you will use that to log in when you are creating the Fabric trial capacity. So once you've given the password, just click on next, assignments, review and create, and you will be able to create this particular user here. Once you are able to create this, what you can do is you can go back to your Azure Entra ID, just click on users again, and you will be able to see that user which you have created here. So just copy this user principal name from here. You can click this icon which will copy this, and head back to let's say another Google page, and just type in Microsoft Fabric free trial like this. So just hit this first link that returns, and it will land you to this homepage of Microsoft Fabric where you can actually create a new trial account. So just click on this try for free icon here. It will then redirect you to this page where you need to put your work or organizational email account, which we copied from Microsoft Azure here. Just click on submit, and it will start creating your Microsoft Fabric account. After a few checks, it will then land you to the Microsoft Fabric homepage, which will look something like this. So note that we are now inside the Microsoft Fabric with a URL named as app.fabric.microsoft.com. So this is the home page. But as a new user, you have not yet started the trial capacity. So in order to explicitly start the Fabric trial capacity, just click on this right side top profile icon here. You can see your organizational account name here, and if you look at the bottom near the sign out, you should see an icon over here which will say start the Fabric trial capacity. For me, I have already started the Fabric trial capacity. That's why I'm able to see this place that trial is activated and 59 days are remaining. I started my trial account yesterday. So for you, it should look something like this. Under that profile, you can see that a free trial option will be there. Just click that, and it will do its magic and start your trial account with Microsoft Fabric. In order to just verify that your trial account has started, this is the first thing that you will notice here. And also, if you go to the left side pane here in the workspace, you can see that you will have your own personal my workspace created. This happens for everyone. And if you see this icon next to my workspace, it will show that Microsoft Fabric trial workspace has been assigned to this, and even this diamond icon next to it. So that's how you will know that your Fabric trial capacity has started, and you have now 60 days to explore all the options that are present in this powerful tool, which is Microsoft Fabric. I'll explain all of the interface of this Microsoft Fabric, like what all these terms mean, what does each and every option in this left panel mean, what does workspace mean, and how you can create your own workspaces, how you can start building pipelines, dashboards, and everything. So that's the agenda for the next video. Anyways, yep, thank you for having a look at this video. I hope you have successfully initiated your Microsoft Azure trial capacity as well as Microsoft Fabric trial capacity. If you have faced any issues while creating either of these, please comment in my video, and I'll get back to you on how to troubleshoot that. Thank you for having a look at this. Take care. Bye.